This is the code from the previous Discord GD tutorial. We have all the commands in the main script itself. This makes the script very lengthy and tough to manage. So in this video, we will refactor this script to multiple files. For this, I have made a clone of this code with some edits. I have kept only a few commands in the main script. So let's start. First, make a folder called commands. And another called templates. Add a script to this folder called command. Here I have made a basic command template. It has an onReady method, onMessage method, and getUsage method. There are various arguments passed to these methods which we will see later on. There is also a commented out help variable which we will also use later. So now add a script to the commands folder called ping.gd. And paste this same template script into it. In the getUsage method, I will return the prefix and ping. In the help variable, change the name, category, aliases, and description to what is relevant. Aliases are other names for this command, which when used will run the same command. Now in the main script, I will comment out the old handle command method and simple pass for now. Then add this method load commands. This will dynamically load the command script files into the bot. Here I have specified the file path. Then we loop through each file in that folder. And check if it is a GD script file. Then we load that script using the load method. Now we can use the help variable on the script to set up our command and alias. If the command is not enabled, we skip it. The command can also have an onReady method, if so we call that method here. Then we add this command to the commands dictionary. And if this command has any aliases, we all add these to a command aliases dictionary. Now in the handle command method, we need to check if the user entered a valid command, and if yes, we run that specific command script. So first we check if the command name passed is in the aliases. If it is, we get the corresponding command script via the command aliases dictionary followed by the commands dictionary, and then we store it in the command variable. Otherwise, if the command name which was passed is a direct command, we can get the command script from the commands dictionary directly. Then we do a quick check to make sure the command is not null. Finally, we can run the command by calling the onMessage method on the command script. Back to the ping command script. In the onMessage method, we can use the normal methods of the bot to send, edit or delete messages or do other stuff. Don't forget to call the load commands method after logging in the bot. Let's test it out. Nice, it works. Now I will convert the remaining commands to separate files. And we'll also show you how to respond to interactions in the command file. Finally, there are some bonus commands at the end of the video. So to watch till the end. The source code for this project is in the description. So now I am refactoring the image command into a separate file. Again, we change the getUsage and help from the template. For the button command, we also need to access the interactions. But the interactions are on the main script. So we access them by typing main.interactions in the command script. Now to respond to the interaction, we use the onInteraction method. So copy and paste the onInteraction method from the template command. In the main script, we need to change the onInteraction create method. Here we check if the message is present in the interactions. If yes, we emit the interaction create signal passing in some relevant information. If it is not present, we remove the buttons on that message by calling a method remove buttons from interaction. This method is fairly simple. We add an embed saying that the buttons have timed out. And then we update the message components to be an empty array which will remove all the components on that message. Let's also define the interaction create signal at the top. In the button command script, we connect the interaction create signal from the main script to this command script. Finally, in the onInteraction method, you can respond to the button interaction however you want. Here I use a simple match statement to check the custom ID of the button that was pressed and reply with a relevant message. Nice, the interactions works. And the timed out buttons work too. Finally, let's refactor the embed command. Nice, all the commands are working. Time for some bonus commands. I will show you an advanced help command which I made, which supports showing all the commands as well as help for a specific command. It generates the help command dynamically based on the commands which were loaded. And it also shows help on a selected command or alias. I also made a navigable embed command, as you can see. That's it. Source code in the description. Stay tuned for more Discord GD stuff on select menu and /commands. So subscribe, like and comment on the video.